Okay, to log in off your web address, just type in WordPress-admin, enter. This will load the back end, put your username and password in. Once logged in, you'll see all the menu on the left. Let me just move that. Okay, yeah, you've got your posts for blogs, pages, all the pages that we've created, and the rest of the stuff you don't have to touch. Of course, gallery if you like. If you want to change a page, click on pages. Find the page you want to look at. Click on it. Okay, these are all the modules inside your page. You'll see these text and dividers and buttons. So if you want to change the text here, I'll click on that 3 bars and you'll find your text here. So then I can make this bold, whatever I want to do. Once I've finished, I must click save and exit. And you must remember to click save or update here. Once that's done, page is updated. If you'd like to view the page now, you can have another tab open with your website, or you can just click view page. And this will allow you to view the page, see any text you've changed. If you want to edit the page again, just click edit page, and it'll take you back to that back end where you can edit the text and so on. Just always remember to click the update button once you're done.